Kopano ena ke ya bobedi ya manola maano a mmuso bothateng ba motlakase.
Load shedding is continuing to have on our people's lives as well as livelihoods. Workers and the poor are most affected.
Mopresidente o tshepisa hore mathata ba kwang ke ho kgaolwa kgafetsa phepelo ya motlakase a tla rarollwa.
We've always said in our energy plan that we're going to have a mixed form of energy. We're going to have coal, we're going to have hydro, we're going to have gas, we're going to have nuclear, which we have, we're going to have wind, and we're going to have sun, and we will also have biogas.
O tobokeditse tlhokeho ya Profensi ya ngoka matsete le ho ntlafatsa tlhahiso molemong wa kgolo ya moruo.
Without a reliable supply of electricity, companies in the end become reluctant to invest. They just look at our economy and the first thing they ask themselves is the energy. And once they determine that there is no energy, it's pointless to invest. So investments then dry up.
Mopresidente o ipileditse ho boetapele ba Profensi ho tshehetsa bo masepala ba sa sebetseng hantle. Ka ho le leng ANC ile a tlameha ho sebetsana le boemo ba motona kgolo ya Profensi e se modula setulo wa mokga jwalo ka ho etsahala Free State le Kwazulu Natal.
The good thing here in KZN, as I said right at the beginning, you've always been able, even after conferences, to put yourself together, to unite yourself so that we can move forward.
ANC e tlhokomedisitse makala mokga ka dikarohano le dintwa tsa ho tseka ditulo.
If there ever was a time when the ANC branches must come alive, it branches the ANC Yagatambo, Yagamandela, this is the time.
Tona kgolo ya Free State Sintombela e re ha ena makukuno ka ho kgethwa ha mqolisi dukwana ka ha ba sebetsa mmoho mmusong.
I've worked with him. I cannot complain now about him. I've worked with him. I know him. So I don't have any problem. But please, what I'm asking him to do is to make sure that he unites the comrades in the Free State.
Ha ile ka Kwazulu Natal Sboniso Duma ke moetapele wa dipolotiki wa mokga ha tona kgolo Nomsa Dube Ncube a ikarabella tsamaisong ya mmuso.
I think we just have to debunk and demystify the myth that there are powers that are lying somewhere. There is only one power when it comes to the ANC. The strategic center is the ANC and only the ANC. And there are comrades who will be deployed from time to time to the state, and those comrades report direct to the ANC. So there are no contradictions. We are working very nice with Comrade Nomusa as deployed as the premier.
Boemo bona ba Ditaba bo ile ba lebisa mo Sihle Zikalala a ileng a rola marapo botona kgolo ka phato ngwahola.